Every single day, thousands of people search how to make money online. They watch the videos, try the methods, and within a few weeks most of them quit. Not because the methods don't work, but because of a few common mistakes almost nobody talks about. In this video, I'm going to break down why most people fail at making money online, and what you need to do differently if you actually want results. I've spent a lot of time studying what separates people who actually build online income from people who try and give up, and what I found is that it almost never comes down to the method itself. It comes down to a few predictable patterns that repeat again and again. Let's go through them one by one. Reason number 1. They treat it like a lottery, not a business. Most people approach making money online like buying a lottery ticket. They try something for a couple of weeks and expect fast results. But real online income streams like freelancing, affiliate marketing, or digital products work like a business. They require time, consistency, and systems before you see results. Reason number 2. They jump from method to method. People try one thing, don't see fast results, and immediately switch to something else. The problem is not the method, it's the lack of consistency. Most methods work, but only if you stick with them long enough to learn them properly. Reason number 3. They wait to feel ready. Many people spend months learning and planning, but never actually start. The truth is, you will never feel fully ready. Successful people start before they feel ready and learn along the way. Reason number 4. They track the wrong things. Beginners focus on results like followers or money, but ignore the actions that actually create those results. What matters in the beginning is output. How many videos you post, how many applications you send, how many attempts you make. Reason number 5. They underestimate the time it takes. Most people quit too early because they expect results in weeks, not months. In reality, it often takes 6 to 12 months before you see consistent progress. So to recap, most people fail not because the methods don't work, but because of how they approach them. They treat it like a lottery, don't stay consistent, don't start early enough, focus on the wrong metrics, and quit too soon. Fix these 5 things and you're already ahead of most people trying to make money online. If you found this useful, subscribe for more realistic breakdowns on building online income.